working on number 47, and this is one of the first times we're going to use our bow, so it's worth talking about. I know we have used it, but it's worth talking about again. Placement of your thumb is really important, so please pay attention to the yellow box on page 16. And then where you place the bow on the string is also important. Basically, we should work about halfway between the bridge and the bottom of the fingerboard. So about right here. And then we're going to do bowing. So as I talked about in rosin the bow, the rosin wrap, down bow is this way, up bow is this way. And the symbols are the down, some of my students think that looks like a table, and the up bow looks like the letter V. Okay, here's number 47. 1, 2, 3, 4.